We'll guide you through how to understand Mailchimp pricing, ensuring you make the best choice for your needs. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to the Mailchimp website and log into your account. Once you're in, hover over your profile icon in the upper right corner and select Account from the drop-down menu. This will take you to the account page where you will see a tab labeled Billing or Plans, depending on the version. Click on it, and here you will find a detailed breakdown of the different pricing tiers. Mailchimp offers several plans: Free, Essentials, Standard, and Premium. Each plan varies in terms of features and the number of contacts you can manage. For example, the Free plan allows up to 500 contacts and basic email support, while the Essentials plan offers more advanced options like email templates and A/B testing for a small monthly fee. The Standard plan includes advanced automations and more audience insights, while the Premium plan provides the most comprehensive features, including advanced segmentation and multivariate testing for larger businesses. Make sure to consider the size of your audience and the specific features you need before choosing a plan. If you're unsure, Mailchimp's pricing calculator is a handy tool for estimating costs based on your expected email volume and number of contacts. Just enter your details and it will help you visualize the monthly cost. Remember, you can always start with a lower tier plan and upgrade as your business grows. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.